Hi cello friends, we're going to learn Shark's Symphony today. And I know we went over some of it in class, but I'm going to hopefully make it so you can understand this part a little bit better. So let's start with the very beginning. You've got this bar line with the 2 over the top of it. What that means, it's a shortened way of saying there are 2 measures of rest there. And there are 4 beats in a measure. See that number on the top? This is not a fraction. This is a time signature. And the top number tells you how many beats are going to be in the measure. So there are 4 beats in a measure. If you've got 2 measures, then you've got 8 beats that you're going to be silent, right? So meantime, the violins are playing this. They're playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and... Okay, so they're just playing all those eighth notes. So what you're going to count is, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And as soon as you do that, meantime, you're getting ready. You've got your bow on the D string. Got your bow on the D string, all ready to go. Because your first note is D. And it's a whole note, which means it gets 4 beats. So you're going to play D, 2, 3, 4, and this curved line that attaches to this next weird note that's an E flat that I'll show you in a second means you're not going to change your bow direction. You're going to change the pitch by just adding your finger. I'll show you that in a second. So we counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go. So when you go, you're going to play that D whole note, and then it ends with an E flat on the next beat. E flat, here's E, right, on the tape, on the D string, and here's E flat, which is halfway between the nut, this bump at the top, and the first finger tape, halfway. Because what a flat does is it lowers the pitch by a half step, so it sounds lower. That's E. That's E flat. Hear how it sounds lower? It's kind of funny for cellos because your finger actually goes higher in the air, but it makes the sound lower. So we call it a low 1. Make sense? Maybe not. This is where E flat is, okay? So you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, bow lift. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, bow lift. So that's your first line. So the whole first line, you're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, bow lift again. 2, 3, 4, bow lift. Second line. Now, you've got in the second line, you've got half notes. You see it's not colored in still, but it's got a stem on it. So this only gets 2 beats. All right, so this time you're going to count on the second line now, measure 7, you're going to go half note, rest, half note, rest. And then after that you've got all tas, all quarter notes. But you're going to slur like this. Let's see if I can back up a little bit so you can see. But you're going to go down, up, down, up. Obviously, this is not proper playing position, right? I'm just trying to show you so you can see. You're going down and add your finger, down, add your finger, down, add your finger, up, add your finger. All right, I think I said that wrong, but anyway, so. And then you're playing just eighth notes back and forth. The X that says, it looks like a note, only it's an X instead of an actual note. It says pick a note. You can play anything you want there. And then after that are 2 slash marks. That's called a caesura, or sometimes called railroad tracks. That means you're going to stop there until your director, who is me, tells you when to go again. Okay, so from the top all the way to that pick a note thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, bow lift. 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, half note, top, rest, down, up, down, up. Then the next note after that you don't know, this is a new note, is one finger on the G string. That's a low A. And it's a whole note. And remember that V, it means the tip, right? There's your V. So you're going to start at the tip and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have what the violins had. Okay, so if you can get that much practiced, that would be great. And then we'll put it all together. It's not as tricky as you think it is, and it's going to be super cool and awesome fun. All right, thanks, cellos and basses. Talk to you later.